Hey guys, welcome back to Position. Well, I am so excited about this peppermint and balsam simmer pot. It smells divine. So this is the last simmer pot of the year that I am going to upload, and here are the ingredients just in time for Christmas: rosemary, cloves, peppermint oil, balsam, cranberries, thyme because I had it left over from Thanksgiving, and some oranges. And here's the handy dandy blue pot that you all love and always ask me about. I'm going to put 32 ounces of water in it like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn up the heat today to a boil, and I'll bring it down to a simmer once I add the ingredients. And that's just going to give me more payout, and I'll be able to smell the aroma much faster. So here I am cutting up the orange slices, and I just like to have everything laid out. It just makes it more organized for me, so that when I go and put everything in the container, it's much quicker. Here I'm just putting some cranberries inside a measuring cup so that they'll be easier to put in the pot. And there's that thyme. I'm only going to use about 2 sprigs. And then these are the cloves. Don't forget to watch the description box for the specific recipe. And then here I'm adding the rosemary. And here's a final look at all of the ingredients. I'm going in now with the orange slices, and I think I ended up using only about 1 orange, so you don't have to worry about using 2 unless you have a bigger pot. Here are these pretty cranberries, and for whatever reason, the reason why I took out the apples is because I forgot I had cranberries, so don't use the apples. But these 2 sprigs of thyme are going to make everything smell just perfect, I promise. Now I'm going to go in with some cloves once I position this thyme like so, and then I'm going in with that final rosemary. Here's some peppermint oil that I took out of my husband's closet. I'm telling you all, just find things that's laying around your house. You don't have to go out and purchase new items. But this balsam, baby, oh my gosh, it smells so good. But if you have a live Christmas tree, just take a branch off the tree and put it in your pot. Then stir everything up and cover it, and your house is gonna thank you.